What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today we're going to be looking at the Leisure 410 LED home theater projector. It supports up to 1080p video, it's as bright as 2500 lux, and the bulb is going to last over 40,000 hours. So this is a pretty amazing product guys, and I'm excited to open up the box, see what comes inside, and maybe we'll even test it out a little bit. So, let's do that now. Okay guys, we're here in front of the Leisure 410 home theater projector. Okay, we've got a very nice bag with the Vankyo name right there. Okay, so right in the top of the bag here, we've got some booklets, customer satisfaction card, we've got a user manual, and a quick start guide. Here is the accessories that come with the projector. We've got the power cable, auxiliary adapter. Now, this will plug into the projector, and then you can use this for the old style TVs. You've got your audio, and you've got your yellow is video. So that's pretty cool, they include that cable. We've got an HDMI cable, very high quality feels like. It's a flat cable. We've got silver connections on the HDMI themselves. Nice high quality VGA cable. We actually have a remote. No batteries in the remote. It's going to take 2 AAA batteries. Remote feels very sturdy, like it's going to work pretty well. These Velcro straps keep the projector safe. Now you can just pull out the projector, and we also have a little pin that goes in the bottom of the projector. Nice high quality bag, glad that they include that. We've got the projector itself, the star of the show. We've got a focus button, menu buttons, nice and clicky, power button, menu button again, and a source button. Very nice projector, wow. Feels really nice, feels pretty high quality. So we've got a TV antenna, VGA, USB, and SD card reader. Okay, we've got the Keystone controller in the back here, HDMI, we've got an IR for the remote, and then we also have audio visual, and then we have a headphone jack. Now this projector actually has 2 cooling fans to keep it cool and silent. I gotta say, this thing's a very nice looking projector, and we've got some rubber feet here. Now we've got a little rubber cap to cover the eye of the projector and keep it from getting dirty. That's nice, like it fits in pretty well. And that might be another IR for the remote. Okay, so let's just go over everything that comes in the box. This thing right here will screw in the bottom. You can use this to tilt the projector up. So we've got the power cable, the projector, the VGA cable to hook up your laptop or computer. We've got an HDMI cable, flat ribbon style, analog video. If you're still using that, they've got you covered there. And we also have a remote for the projector. Now, some things about this projector that make it stand out are the fact that it's 2500 lux. You should see some pretty vivid colors with a 2000:1 contrast ratio. We've got 2 cooling fans to avoid overheating and have a low noise output. This projector handles up to 1080p video. The native resolution of the projector is actually 800 by 480. So that's about 480p. Now we've got a viewing distance of 4.9 feet to 16.4 feet. This thing projects 33 inches to 170 inches, which is pretty insane, guys. Not to mention this projector also has a speaker inside of it, so you'll be able to use it without hooking it up to anything. Okay, so in order to get sound from this projector, you have to go into your settings of whatever you're using and turn off Dolby Digital. So I'm going into display and sound, and I'm going to change it to stereo uncompressed. Now the sound is working, and we're going to see what games sound like. Okay, so I have the microphone right next to the projector, so you can actually hear the sound that the projector makes. It's pretty quiet. Okay guys, so yeah, there's a little bit of screen tearing, but I think overall it looks pretty good. So that was a look at the Leisure 410 home theater projector by Vankyo. Very interesting product to look at. Thank you very much, Vankyo, for sending it out to me. As you could see during my review, there are some things that I did find as a con, and some things that I found as a pro. Number one, the price. The design of this thing, it's very sleek looking, very easy to use, supports up to 1080p resolution, although the output of the projector is a little bit lower than that. I think if they get it up to 1080p, maybe 4K, it would be perfect. Some nitpicky things. The projector itself, the black version, does pick up quite a few fingerprints. The lens cap is rubber, so it picks up a lot of hair and dust. I think it would be smarter to actually have a plastic lens cover and it'll actually fit a little bit better. Other than that, the brightness of the projector, you do want to use this in a darkened room. I can think of some awesome ideas for this, but playing video games is not high on my list. Now, when you do use this to play video games or any fast-paced action, you are going to notice some jumping around of the screen. It's almost like a screen tear, but I'm not sure with a projector if that's what you would call it. It is a little bit bothersome once you notice it. I probably wouldn't play games on it, but one thing I did have a lot of fun doing is watching YouTube. I watched a music video for a small speaker on the projector. I think it sounds great, and under $100 for this and the cover. I think that's awesome, guys. You can find it on sale. I'll leave a link right down below if you're interested in purchasing it. All in all, I think it's a pretty good buy. If you're looking for a mid-grade projector, check out the link and check it out for yourself if you're interested in purchasing it. And if this is your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'll be putting out videos weekly in 4K 60 frames per second. And I just want to thank you for watching, and you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime. And if you have any questions at all, just let me know. I can reach out to the company, or I can answer them myself if I know it. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Remember, I'm Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and I'll see you later.